In this instructional video, we will show you how to use the Word Parachute tool in your presenter file. When the cursor is active, you can modify the tool directly. Select the white plane or one of the blue cards to add text. You can do this with the presenter keyboard by clicking on the keyboard icon or with an actual keyboard that is linked to the device. Add a category word in the white plane at the top. You can add words in the blue cards that belong to this category under the parachute. To delete a card, select the card and click on the bin icon. Add a card by selecting the plus button. Open the Settings menu to add or delete a column. The columns will be added or removed from the right. You can clear all cards from text by selecting Clear Cards. You are now set to use the tool Word Parachute. Open Presenter and get going.